Hello everyone. In the previous video, I have talked about the stack data structure introduction. If you haven't watched that video, please watch it first. So the next topic is operations on stack data structure. So I've already told you that when we are inserting a data, then that is known as push operation. Insertion, first operation is insertion, and if you are inserting a data in a stack, that is known as push. Okay, push means adds new item in the stack. Okay, so if the stack is full, say suppose मैंने सारे items डाल दिए और memory full हो गई stack की, that condition is known as overflow condition. When your stack is full, it is known as overflow. Your stack is overflow now, you can't insert new item. If you are deleting a item from the stack, that operation is known as pop. That means removes an item from the stack. And if the stack is empty, already empty, you cannot remove some data from the stack. Obviously your stack is empty, so how can you remove the data from the stack? So that condition is known as underflow. So ये हमेशा याद रखना, push means push के केस में stack अगर full होगा, you cannot insert and that condition is overflow. And pop के केस में if the stack is empty, you cannot delete from the empty stack. So that condition is known as underflow condition. Then last video में I have already told you that peak means it shows the top element of the stack. जो भी top पे पड़ा है वो element show करेगा. It shows the top element of the stack. And वो सिर्फ show करेगा top element को. It will not remove the top element. With the peak operation, it only shows the top element. It will not remove that element. Okay. Then next operation is full. It returns true if the stack is full. अगर stack full होगा, then is full क्या return करेगा? True. मतलब stack is full. Is empty returns true if the stack is empty. Okay, so if your stack is empty, is empty is a boolean operation, so it will return true. Display operation, it will display all the items present in the stack currently. Okay.